Artificial intelligence, it's changing our world from self-driving cars to personalized medicine. But behind these advancements lies a hidden cost-energy consumption. AI relies on a vast infrastructure that consumes resources. This infrastructure is the backbone of the AI revolution, but it's also a major consumer of resources. Think of AI like the brain. It holds the knowledge and makes decisions, but the brain needs a body to function. For AI, that body is the data centers, servers, and networks. These components require massive amounts of energy and water to operate. The energy demands of AI are growing exponentially. We must remember that the digital world has a real-world impact. Data centers are the powerhouses of the digital age. They are vast warehouses packed with servers, the brains behind our online world. AI, with its insatiable appetite for data, is a major driver of data center growth. Data centers consume a significant portion of global electricity. Estimates suggest they account for around 1% of worldwide electricity use. This might seem small, but it's equivalent to the energy consumption of entire countries. The energy demands of AI, particularly training large models, are staggering. Training a single large language model, like GPT-4, can consume as much electricity as an average American household does in several years. The environmental impact of data centers is a growing concern. This requires a multi-pronged approach, including improving energy efficiency in data centers and transitioning to renewable energy sources. AI's energy consumption isn't limited to data centers. Training AI models, especially complex ones, requires immense computational power. The more complex the model and larger the dataset, the more energy it consumes. Consider the example of GPT-4, a powerful language model capable of generating human-quality text. Training this model required a massive amount of data and processing power. The energy consumed during this training phase is equivalent to the annual electricity consumption of thousands of homes. But energy use doesn't stop at training. Once an AI model is trained, it's deployed to perform tasks, a process known as inference. Every time you interact with a voice assistant, use a language translation service, or get a personalized recommendation, AI inference is at play. This translates into a significant energy footprint, even if each individual query consumes a small amount of power. Section 4. Cooling the giant's water consumption in the age of AI. Data centers, the beating hearts of the AI revolution, don't just consume vast amounts of energy, they also have a significant thirst. These technological behemoths generate an incredible amount of heat, requiring sophisticated cooling systems to keep them operational. These cooling systems, in turn, consume enormous amounts of water. Water is used in various ways to cool data centers. Some systems use water directly to cool servers, while others use it indirectly in cooling towers. The water consumption for cooling can be substantial, especially in warmer climates. To put this into perspective, a single large data center can consume millions of gallons of water per day. As the demand for AI and data processing grows, so too will the water footprint of data centers. The water usage associated with AI isn't limited to data centers. Section 5. Towards a sustainable AI future, our shared responsibility. The rapid advancement of artificial intelligence brings incredible opportunities and undeniable challenges. As we marvel at AI's ability to solve complex problems and reshape industries, we must also confront its environmental impact. The energy and water consumption associated with AI infrastructure are significant and growing. The good news is that awareness of this issue is increasing. Tech companies are taking steps to reduce their environmental footprint. Google, for instance, has committed to using carbon-free energy in all its data centers by 2030. Other companies are investing in renewable energy sources, improving energy efficiency in their operations and exploring innovative cooling technologies. But the responsibility doesn't lie solely with tech companies. We, as users and beneficiaries of AI, also have a role to play. By making conscious choices, we can reduce our AI footprint and support a more sustainable future. Here are some steps we can take. 1. Support sustainable tech companies. 2. Reduce unnecessary data storage. 3. Stream smarter. 4. Advocate for transparency.